Hello there, I'm Natalie, and I'm a lazy student. Yeah. Now, don't get me wrong, I love to learn, but I don't really like to learn math that much, or get reading assignments, or writing assignments. I like to learn things that I like. Raise your hand if you get lazy as a student. In that case, give this video a thumbs up. It's okay, I won't judge you. I'll bond with you. I'm gonna show you the best math, reading, writing, and studying hacks that every lazy student should know. Hold up, I'm doing a huge giveaway where I'm giving one lucky subscriber a Canon camera. To enter, just subscribe to become a part of the family, and that's it. It's that simple. I challenge you guys to get this video to 1 million thumbs up. Oh my gosh. So that school can stop existing forever. I'm just kidding. Or am I? You guys have been beating every single one of my challenges.
I challenge you guys to get this video to 150,000 thumbs up. I challenge you guys to get this video to 150,000 thumbs up. I get to 200,000 thumbs up. I challenge you guys to get this video to 500,000 thumbs up.
Whoa.
So I dare you to turn this to this by clicking below and hitting that thumbs up. And just maybe, for 1 million likes, the government will listen to us and end school. I want to give a huge shout out to Arena for watching my videos. Thank you so much. So if you want a shout out in my next video, just comment below #notification_squad and I will be choosing one of you in the first 30 minutes that every video goes live, so make sure you're here early. Add me on Instagram because I'm doing a huge giveaway where I'm giving my favorite makeup, Polaroid stationery, brushes, basically Natalie's essentials to you. And don't forget, I post new videos every Monday and Saturday. Let's get on to this video. Oh my gosh, this math. Ugh. Wow, this is so easy. Let me just pull out my handy dandy calculator. What? Oh my god.
You only have 1 minute to complete the question.
No, this cannot be happening to me. No battery. Ugh. How in the world am I gonna do this? Wait a minute. I remember this bomb hack. It's simple. So 97 and 96 are both 3 and 4 away from 100 each. 3 plus 4 would be 7, and 100 minus 7 would be 93. 3 times 4 would be 12, and thus the answer would be 9312. Huh, not so bad. Piece of cake. Alright you guys, I'm playing my next giveaway which is coming up, so be sure to comment below #notification_squad followed by the giveaway that you would prefer. Oh my god, this camera is on sale? What? 40% off?
No laptops in class.
What a good deal. But I wonder how much the camera would be worth. Okay, simple. The camera used to be 400, but if we drop a 0 from both 40 and 400, we would get 4 times 40, which is 160. 400 minus 160 is 240. Wow, that's a great deal.
Miss Natalie!
This is so relaxing.
Miss Natalie, come up to the board.
What? Me? Oh no, I don't want to go up. Oh my god, I don't know how to do this. Okay, let's just get started. I'll take my calculator.
Give me that!
If you're ever stuck in a situation like this, do not worry or get nervous. Honestly, the answer will just come out like this. Yeah, just kidding. If only math were that easy. Here's a simple hack. Alright, this is super simple. Just break it up. 1 line, 2 lines, 1 line again, and 3 lines. Then let's just divide this into 2 parts, like so. And now I'm just gonna circle each intersection of each line. And there you go. I'm gonna count them all out, and bam. We got 1 here, we got 5 here, and we have 6 here. 1, 5, 6. Behold the final answer. Want to be the fastest reader on the block? I know I do. With these tips, you're sure to be the speediest reader on the block. Always use your finger to guide your reading and move your finger fast at the pace you plan on reading at. Always move your finger faster than you expect because your brain is also much smarter than you think. Stick to that speed and don't slow down. And another hack is instead of reading everything word for word, keep the book at a nice distance away from your face and read everything in chunks. Use your peripheral vision to fill in the rest. The key to speed reading is to avoid saying the words out loud. The first week is quite challenging. It's hard to figure out what to eat. I'm not much of a cook, so I got some recipe books out and tried creating some vegan dishes. As someone, but to another extent, avoid reading word for word in your mind. The first week is quite challenging. It's hard to figure out what to eat. I'm not much of a cook, so I got some recipe books out and tried creating some vegan dishes. As someone, crazy, right? Turn off the voice in your head and start seeing sentences and phrases as large groupings of words and not individual words assembled together. It's time for apple pie, but wait, it seems a little bit weird. The recipe's asking for 3/6 of an apple and 4/5 of an apple. What the heck do I even do with that? I don't even know how to cut that. Ugh. If you're also stuck on this, no worries, just do butterfly fractions. You cross multiply the numbers that are across from each other and the ones on the bottom together. Once you get the complete number, you break it down into a decimal and it's much easier to visualize the amount of apples you need. It's 1 whole apple and 1/3 or 0.3 of another. Now we don't have to leave 2 cut pieces. Instead of highlighting everything in your notebook and basically memorizing everything, use some flashcards. Highlighting is proving to be detrimental to studying because it doesn't connect the key concepts properly, while flashcards have been proven to improve memory and are an excellent reinforcement tool. A lot of us are used to taking notes on computers and typing everything up, but studies have actually shown that you should avoid typing and instead handwrite your notes. I urge you to open up your textbook and cram all the knowledge, formulas, in-class notes into one sheet of printer paper. Also, a good tactic is to separate the page into sections for important vocab, a section for formulas or organic chemistry structures, plus all the other information you need to know. Color code the sections and highlight things of importance. X-rays, microwaves, this is so complicated. I just can't remember how this goes. X-rays, no, that wasn't it. A simple hack is mnemonics. You heard right, mnemonics. By taking the first letter of each thing you need to memorize and forming a simple to remember phrase, the funnier the better, you can actually make long complicated lists something easy to remember. For example, something as complicated as the electromagnetic spectrum can easily be broken down into funny phrases like raging Martians invaded using X-ray guns. Or King Philip came over for great soup. This is one of those hacks that will save you in science class, but also the best part is you can use this in every subject in school. Have you ever sat studying for hours and in the end you're tired, it's late, it seems like you've lost your train of thought multiple times throughout your study sessions, it didn't feel productive, and your grades seem to just be suffering due to the super long 5 to 10 hour study days? Well, break up those long last-minute cram sessions into multiple productive 30-minute sessions that can be split multiple times throughout the same day or spread throughout a couple weeks before an exam day. This is the best way to study, and trust me, your grades will thank you for it. If you're like me and you're writing a school paper and then you get completely distracted by cute dog and cat videos, who can relate? Oh my god. Anyways, here's a quick hack that will surely help you out. Did you know there is a mode called focus mode when you're writing in Microsoft Word? Focus mode makes the document enter full screen and makes all of the icons disappear. So not only that, but the borders around the document can be changed in order to give you whatever feeling you want, whether it's a mood or you want like wood, metal, or plastic. Change it to whatever you think will help you focus. Now you're repeating or using the same word or vocabulary in an essay. A simple essay tip would be to change up this vocab using the Thesaurus feature in Word. This will help your essays have more variety and spice, and trust me, your teacher will thank you for it. Oh my god, I just got an A+ in math! Woohoo! 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 Oh, if you enjoyed today's school hack video, make sure you give it a huge thumbs up. Also, check out my last video right here by clicking on it, where I show you the best lazy beauty hacks ever. Subscribe right over there by clicking on my face. I post new videos every Wednesday and Saturday. And just make sure you have notifications turned on by clicking on this little bell right over here. That way I can see you twice a week. I want to wish you an amazing day. Don't forget to live weird or die normal. Bye!